Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you guys want to see today's look, just keep on watching. Metro Boomin wants some more, nigga. Hey, yo, good job first. I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill palette and taking the shade Creamsicle in my crease with the blending brush. I'm also adding these two yellow shades from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette on my crease. Now I'm taking the shade Pukey, I think that's how you pronounce it, and I'm darkening up my crease. I'm taking my same eyeshadow primer and I'm just using it as a base for the next color. Taking the shade Jada and I'm packing it on my lid with a flat brush. I'm taking the shade Pukey or Pookie once again and blending it in with that turquoise color.
I'm Rick James, bitch.
Then back in with that creamsicle color. I'm taking the shade Beam and using it for my inner corner highlight. I'm taking that same Jada shade and putting it under my lower lash line, as well as with the shade Pukey or Pookie. Hey, yo, good job first.
Bruh.
These are the Kiss lashes in Gala or Gala. I love these lashes. These are the ones you'll see me using the most. Lastly, don't forget mascara on the lower lash line. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera and I'll be back in just a second. Come at me. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. A little crazy, but not too crazy. But go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'm gonna be coming back with more.